Hola, this is a key code. Welcome. Let's talk about Linux.
Open terminal by pressing shortcut Ctrl-Alt-T and zoom in a bit by Ctrl-Shift+. And the first command that we are going to learn is pwd. This command displays present working directory. And as you can see that we are in home, and this is name of the user, who is currently logged in. And next command that we are going to learn is ls. This command displays the content of present working directory, and let's see the content of this current directory. As you can see, we have multiple folders that are in this current working directory. And the next command that we are going to learn is cd. This is change directory. If you want to move from one folder to another, we just use change directory command and type in the name of directory that you want to access. Let's access desktop, and next command that we're going to learn is cd space double dot. This command move you one step back. We are going to return to the parent of this desktop directory, and let's press enter. As you can see, let's press enter and see the content of this present working directory. As you can see, we are back where we were at first time. And next command that we are going to learn is cd and /. And we press enter, and let's see the content of this present working directory. And as you can see, there is change. At first we had these folders, but right now we have those. You see that there is different. And here we had tilde key and $sign, but here we have / and $sign. This root directory. Root directory is a parent to home directory. Home directory is a subfolder of root directory. And next command that we're going to run is to clean our terminal. And command to clean our terminal is we just type in clear. The next command that we're going to learn is how to return to home directory. Whenever you are and type in command cd and tilde key, you will return directly to home directory. And next command that you are going to learn is how to manipulate those directory, create, delete them, things like that. And we'll just go to desktop, cd desktop, and we'll just try to see the content of desktop. As there is no content at present working directory, we'll just learn how we can create some folder The command to create new folder is make directory and name of directory. Let's call our directory media. Just press enter and let's see the content of desktop at this current time. And as you can see, we have on one folder. And let's see the content of media. And we know that this folder is empty because we didn't put in there anything. And let's just learn how we can create multiple folders inside one folder. Let's try to create a folder that contains other structured folder. Let's create that folder, make directory. Let's create a folder called movies. And in movie, we're putting maybe recent and as you can see, make directory can't create directory. You can't use this command to create directory. And let's screen our terminal and see how we can create multiple folders inside one. So to create multiple folders or directory in one directory, we just use some flag to create them. We are going to use same command we have been using before, make directory, because we are going to create directory, and we just use p flag, and we just create folder called movies, and in that movie folder we are going to put in comedy movie, and in that comedy movie we just put in Asian, and in that folder called Asian, let's put in maybe Chinese, and let's press enter and see if those folders are going to be created. As you can see, it have been successfully created. Let's see, folder called movie have been created, and if we access folder called movie and see the content, you can see this comedy, and if we access that comedy, we see that there is folder called Asian, and if you access that Asian, you will see that there is Chinese. And to return directly to move one step back, we can use just cd dot and cd dot cd dot, and red screen our terminal. And how can we create multiple folders in one directory, and that directory also have those directory also have other folders? We'll just create another folder called music, in order to create multiple folder, we say that we use this flag, and we are going to add another flag at v. This will just display what is happening under the hood. And in this folder called music, we just add list of folders that are going to be at this current working directory. We just put in audio files, and in audio files we just put in Indian, and second for that is going to be in music. It will be maybe video files, and in that folder we're going to have dance, maybe lectures, Red having their only those two, and the next Red in that folder Red have beat, and inside beat Red have instrumental and normal, and these will create, and we just cross again, and what this will do, we are going to create music folder, and this music folder will contain 3 folders. This one audio files, and these video files, and beat. In audio files we are going to have Indian, and in a video file we are going to have dance and lectures, and in beat we are going to have instrumental and normal. We'll just press enter and see if it will be created successfully. As you can see, music was created, music directory was created, and second audio file was created. In audio file, India folder was created, and we just move on to video files. In video files we have dance and lecture folders, and after that we have beat, instrumental and normal, and it's just being created on like we start on first folder and create all things that have to be inside that folder, and we go to next one. So we just clean our terminal and let's try to access music. As you can see, we have 3 folders, and let's just access audio, I just missed things, just audio files, and let's see the content. There's Indian. And how do we delete folder? We just use remove directory and name of directory. Just I press enter and let's see the content. You can see that it's empty. We just try to move 1 step backward and we'll try to see the content. And we have seen that video files contain some folders, and we try to delete also video files. Remove directory, video files, and as you can see, remove directory can't work on some directory that have content. Remove directory is only used to delete folders that are empty, and we just use remove and arrow flag. And if we want to see how those actions are being done, you can add v later, and we just write name of the folder we want to remove. It's a video, and we press enter and see what happened. And as you can see, we start from first content of video file and next one, and we just deleted video files, and that's it.